Now, why you need, what is the need for that commercialization? The first thing is that your invention is not a ready to market product, right? That product is not ready for the market now. So that invention you have to convert into the product, that product which is ready for marketing. So whatever that process is there, from invention to that product, it is a very challenging journey. Generally we call it as a death valley is there, right? Why we call it as a death valley? It is a challenging phase, that how that invention goes from that raw state, from that then scale up, then that pilot and all kind of thing, then your prototype is ready, right? And after prototype, again the scaling up of that product is there, so that it will be a, what we can say, the final product for the market. And then once it goes into the market, and depending on the, what we can say, the need, you can just do the modifications in that product, and you can just develop the further expand that business. But this, that is from invention to prototype to this ready to, what we can say, market product. This journey is very important, right? And you have to work on that, what we can say, to go from that invention to the product. The idea, whatever is there in your mind, right, it does not mean that it is useful invention, obviously. And so you have to make sure that how you can convert it into the product which can be a sellable, right? Now, inventions which are useful, that invention, see what happened, that you file a patent, it is not necessary, it is expected that the patent should be commercialized, but many a times you see that so many patents are there, they are not commercialized, right? Invention, we can say it is useful only if the product is marketed well. So we can say that a good product or good patent is that which is followed the path from that, what we can say, it is like idea stage, it is now filed, invention is, that patent is granted, and obviously it is successfully commercialized, right? So if everything is, what we can say, done, then we can say that okay, this invention is a very good invention, and it is granted and it is marketed also, right? So that is very important. Okay, now what is that path which is generally followed? We can just see it in the, what we can say, diagram kind of thing. So how it works, like creation is there, then protection is there, and the exploitation is there. Creation is actually your R&D phase, you have just started that thing, right? And then the invention, that disclosure is there, and all kind of procedures you follow according to your organization, and then you will take a decision about the protection, right? Patent application will be filed, right? And once you file that thing, then we have seen that exploitation, that is a commercialization will, that process of commercialization starts. It may be a licensing, it may be a sale, it may be a startup, it may be a spin-off, whatever it may be, right? So any path you will follow and the commercialization will be achieved.